Hello friends, this is Manjunath Chandraya. Today's session is to learn how to reduce the size of the Excel file to half of its size. We would have come across a lot of scenarios where we have a master file or a consolidated file where we keep on adding the data from multiple sheets on a weekly, a daily or a monthly basis. As the data is increased, the file size also been increased and it is becoming difficult to open. It takes longer time to save and there are chances of the file getting corrupted and losing your data. So how can we reduce the issue by reducing the size of the file? Let's start. I have a sample data which is called consolidated data in a folder. So as you can see, the size of the file is 7279 KB. Let's right click on this the file properties. So now you can see the size, it is 7.10 MB. So let's go into the file and see what data we have. So we have a data from A to F column. Let's see till what row we have the data. So we have a data till 1,24,735 and I have not added any formulas or any other formats. If you add formulas and any other things, again the size of the file would have gone up. I just want to give a small overview why the file size getting higher when your data when your data is very less, but still the size of the file is more 10 MB or 7 MB. You are wondering why suddenly I have not even 5,000 lines of data, but still the size of the file is huge. There are a lot of scenarios. I'll try to cover few. Since the consolidated file, we are copying the data from multiple sheets. Not only we copying the data, along with that we copying the font size, board colors, any other formulas, so any other special unnecessary characters which is related to the report. We are copying those into the consolidated file. That also adds the size of the file. When there is a linked file, we are not space specialed. So those also can cause us a size of the file. Do remember when you copying from multiple sheets to your consolidated file, always copy it in a space spatial value. So if you are copying, so that keep a one format in the consolidated file. So everything data, entire data is in one format, so that the size of the file also can be reduced to a certain extent. Okay, let's see how can we reduce the size of this file. So go to file, save as. Currently the file say is in the type of Excel workbook. So we let change the type of the file into other format. So just click on this. There are a lot of formats. So let's use Excel binary workbook. And to remember, friends, if your consolidated file having a macro in it, so please avoid using binary workbook. There are chances where the macro may not work in the binary workbook. So if your file doesn't have any macros, then you can go ahead and save it in this binary workbook format. So I've just selected this binary workbook format. Click save. So I'll keep the file name as same. The file has been saved. Let's close this file. As you can see two files here. And to the right, type. You can see the binary worksheet type and the Excel workbook type. The size part you can see 7279 KB was the initial file. Once you saved in the binary, it is 3478. It has reduced to half of its size. Let's check the MB here. It is 3.39 MB. So it is earlier was 7 MB. Now it has reduced to 3 MB. And let's go open the file. So no need to worry whether the data would have been compromised in this format. Nothing like that. If you can go down, so you can see the 1,24,735. And if you have anything else formats, nothing will going to change. It will remain same. Only the size of the will be composed, means it will be reduced, but data won't be compromised here or manipulated. So no need to worry. So I'm just closing this file. See friends, so very simple. Just changing a format, we can reduce the size of the file. If you think the file is having a macro, kindly don't use the binary worksheet. If there is no macro, you can save it in a binary worksheet. Thank you guys. Hope this video was interesting. If you feel interesting, kindly subscribe, hit the bell icon for more interesting videos and tips. Thank you again. Happy learning.